Physical security. Install a smart security system. Include cameras, motion sensors, door, window sensors, and alarms. Use smart locks. Ensure doors have smart locks with encryption for added security. Install video doorbells. Provide a clear view of visitors and monitor front entry activity. Reinforce entry doors. Use solid core doors and reinforce with a strike plate. Secure garage doors. Install automatic garage door closers and monitor them with smart systems. Add deadbolt locks. Install deadbolts on all entry doors, including the garage entry. Install outdoor security cameras. Cover entrances, driveways, and blind spots. Secure windows with locks. Ensure windows have secure locks and shatterproof glass. Use window bars or grills. Add bars or security grills to easily accessible windows. Install motion-activated lights. Light up dark areas and entrances to deter intruders. Add landscaping barriers. Use thorny bushes near windows and entry points. Install a fence. Consider fencing with a locking gate to secure the perimeter. Use security signs and stickers. Indicate the presence of security systems, real or decoy. Install door peepholes. Install peepholes in solid doors for better visibility. Use timers for indoor lights. Simulate home occupancy with smart light schedules. Secure sliding doors. Install security bars or pins to prevent forced entry. Use garage door security features. Include smart garage openers and locks. Install safe room or panic room. Create a secure room within the home. Reinforce windows with security film. Apply shatterproof security film to windows. Use strong door hardware. Install high-quality hinges, screws, and strike plates. Implement a home fire safety plan. Include fire alarms, extinguishers, and escape routes. Establish a neighborhood watch. Involve neighbors in home security initiatives. Secure valuables in a safe. Use a fireproof and tamper-resistant safe for valuables. Lock down ladders and tools. Secure ladders and tools that could aid in a break-in. Inspect attic and basement security. Ensure all entry points to the attic and basement are locked. Install a driveway alarm. Use motion sensors to alert you when cars approach. Secure mailboxes. Install locking mailboxes to prevent mail theft. Install window sensors. Add sensors that alert you when windows are opened. Get a dog. A trained guard dog can be an effective deterrent. Establish a clear line of sight. Keep windows and doors free of obstructions. Have emergency numbers ready. Keep local law enforcement, medical, and fire contacts easily accessible. Cybersecurity. Set up a secure Wi-Fi network. Use WPA3 encryption and strong passwords. Use a VPN for internet access. Encrypt your online activity for added privacy. Secure smart home devices. Use strong passwords and update firmware regularly. Install antivirus software. Protect devices from malware and cyber attacks. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add extra protection to accounts and devices. Use a password manager. Generate and store strong, unique passwords. Disable remote access on routers. Prevent unauthorized access to your home network. Regularly update software. Keep all smart home devices and systems updated. Create guest Wi-Fi networks. Isolate home devices from guest network users. Monitor smart devices. Use apps to track unusual activity on smart home systems. Install network firewalls. Add an extra layer of protection to your home network. Use encrypted communications. Secure sensitive data with encryption for emails and messages. Backup data regularly. Store important files in cloud-based systems or external drives. Secure cloud services. Use reputable services with end-to-end encryption. Disable unused ports. Prevent hackers from accessing unused ports on routers. Create strong security questions. Use difficult-to-guess answers for account recovery. Turn off unused smart features. Disable features like voice-activated commands when not in use. Monitor network traffic. Use network monitoring tools to detect unusual activities. Educate family on cyber safety. Teach family members about phishing scams and secure online behavior. These actions will help secure the physical property and protect the home's digital footprint, providing a comprehensive security solution for your customer's new home.